Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change your Toyota Corolla's cabin air filter. First, gather your new filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine for safety. Next, clear out everything from your glove compartment. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker, saving you time and effort. Now, fully open your glove compartment to reveal the back. On the right side, you will see a small damper arm. Gently unclip it. Then, carefully press inward on both the left and right sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, giving you clear access to the filter housing. With the glove box down, you will see a rectangular cover for the filter housing. Unclip the two retaining clips, then carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before inserting the new one, observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. It typically points downwards. Now, slide in your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow also points downwards for proper ventilation. To finish up, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Next, push the glove box back upwards until it stops re-engage on both sides. Don't forget to reconnect the damper arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, close the glove compartment and give it a gentle tug to confirm it latches properly. You are all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.